Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in inside Credit Union online banking. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After doing that, click on the search bar and type in insidecreditunion.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Inside Credit Union. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface over here, you'll be able to find the section for digital banking login. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, log in and enroll into digital banking. So if you do not have digital banking account yet, you can simply click on this option, register now. But if you want to log in to your online banking account, over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is provide your user ID and password over here. So click on the field of user ID and enter your user ID over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in inside Credit Union online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.